Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to stream Discord on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now you have to minimize it. Now go to your Zoom app. Now click on New Meeting. Now click on Share option. Here you'll find your Discord. Press on it. Now press on Share. This is how you can stream your Discord on Zoom. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.